Fourth question. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is 2.5 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters and AC is 6.5 centimeters. Then measure angle B. So let's start. First step. Draw a line segment BC of length 6 centimeters. So first step is to draw a line segment of 6 centimeters. Let's say this is the line segment BC whose length is 6 centimeters. Point B, point C, and this is 6 centimeters. Next step. From B, point A is at a distance of 2.5 centimeters. So with B as center, draw an arc of radius 2.5 centimeters. From point B, point A is at a distance of 2.5 because AB is 2.5 centimeters. So taking B as center and a radius of 2.5 centimeters, draw an arc. So it will be like this. Now point A will be somewhere on this arc and we have to find that. So next step. From C, point A is at a distance of 6.5 centimeters because AC is 6.5 centimeters. So with C as radius, C as center, taking point C as center and a radius of 6.5 centimeters, we have to draw an arc. So taking C as center and a radius of 6.5 centimeters. So we will draw the arc like this. Now again point A will lie on this arc also, and as A has to be on both the arcs drawn, so it is the point of intersection of arcs. Mark the point of intersection of arcs as A, join AB and AC. So we will mark the point of intersection as point A, then join AB and AC. Join A with B and join A with C. So we got our triangle. Thus triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now measure angle B with the help of a protractor. You will find that this is 90 degrees. And as this is 90 degrees, it is a right angled triangle. So this triangle ABC is the required triangle whose one angle is 90 degrees and therefore it is a right angled triangle.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.